This is London today. I'm not flying the plane. I'm the passenger. Qatar Airways. Cute, one of the best business class products in the world. And as a pilot sitting in this seat, I'm genuinely impressed. Watch London disappear below us. Your own private pod, a door that actually closes, and the drink menu. Let's just say this is nothing like the crew meals I'm used to. From a pilot's perspective, the service is exceptional. The attention to detail in here would make any crew member smile. The lighting, the space, the privacy. This is how every passenger should feel. Every single flight, no compromises. Doha, Qatar's home, and the Orchid Terminal. Exactly what you'd expect. Now boarding the 787 Dreamliner to Lahore business class again. And this aircraft is something else. As a pilot, the 787 is one of my favorites to fly. The technology, the efficiency, the way it handles, you feel it even as a passenger. Bigger windows, smoother ride, better air quality. Lahore is getting closer, and I can already tell this city is not done surprising me. We've landed Lahore. What happens next? Head over to Nomad layover tours. Part 2 is already waiting for you. Link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for your support.